beautifuls, it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thanks for stopping in today. So guys, I am going to unbox for you my November brown sugar box by Izzy and Liv. And this box actually showed up like a day or so before Thanksgiving, guys, and I was the cook, so I was busy and I needed some time to recover after Thanksgiving from all that cooking and standing up. So I'm just now coming to you guys with this box. So please forgive me, but I needed some downtime. So we're going to get into our box here. These boxes no longer come with the little magazine inside. We now have the card that comes in, and it has the QR code here on the back. At the top is the QR code for the magazine, and on the bottom is the QR code for the playlist of the month. So guys, this month's theme is going to be cozy, comfy, and cool. So our magazine looks like this on the front, and I'm going to just flip through. You guys can kind of see what's going on in the magazine real quick. But I just kind of wanted to show you real quick what was in the magazine. So let's go ahead and open this box here. So November 2022 box is what we have here. So I'm going to get started. Okay guys, the first thing out of our box here, we have a Satin Dream Satin Lime bonnet and Sweet Dream satin mask. So this is valued at $35, they say, and there are 4 different versions you could have choose or could have received rather. They actually pick everything for you. You don't get to choose anything, but these are the 4 options. And this is the print that I have. It looks like a African queen here with her eyes closed. And I have the sleeping mask, and we have the satin bonnet. And you know, I'm glad that they send these, because mine be, you know, they mess up so quick with like the oils and stuff from your hair. So I'm glad I actually got another one, and I like the idea of the sleep mask to go with it. So this, guys, is valued at $35, and you could have received 1 or 4. So let's go to the next thing in our box. So guys, in keeping with the theme of the box, it looks like we have a fleece blanket here. So let me take it out the plastic so I can show you what it is. So guys, this is it out the plastic, and I'm going to pop it out of here so I can really show you what it looks like. So guys, this is a melanin drip fleece blanket. This is being valued in the box at $50. You could have received 1 of 4. These are the 4 options you guys could have received. So let me show you this one here, and it's pretty big. Yeah, so it's pretty big. And let me show it to you the right way so you can actually see the designs on the front of it. So these are the designs that are on our blanket here. I think this is cute. So you have the ladies with their earrings, different hairstyles, very cute. And it's a pretty nice size blanket. You can really like snuggle up with this, watch some TV, and just chill out. I don't know about the value of it though, being $50. I mean, it's a rather light fleece blanket. This is the raw side, if you know what I mean. It's kind of thin. It's not really that thick. That I would actually pay $50 for, but that's what it's valued at. So guys, this is number 2 item in our box, which is the fleece blanket, and I think this goes perfect with the cozy. Most black women, if we're on our chill day and nobody's around, we got pajamas on, your satin bonnet, and you're chilling in front of the TV, Netflix and chill. So I think this was a good thing going with the theme here. So let's go to our next item, guys. So guys, the next thing I'm pulling out right here, it appears we have some home decor stuff here. Let me open it. So it looks like we have melanin drip throw pillowcases set. So there are 2, and I'm gonna put you guys on pause real quick, and I actually have 2 toss pillows over here. I'm going to actually put them on a pillow so you guys can get an idea what they look like. But so you guys know, there were 4 options for this as well, and they're valued at what is their value? they are valued at, I'm sorry, $40. So there is a set of 2 valued at $40 and 4 different options. So I'm going to put the covers on actual toss pillows so I can kind of show you what they look like. So give me just a second to do that. So guys, this is what the print looks like on the actual toss pillow, and I just kind of wanted to give you a better visual of what it looked like than just showing you just 2 empty covers. So this is what it looks like. It fits the standard size toss pillows here. I mean, they're nice. They feel like kind of satiny feeling to me. Pretty nice. This is the back of it. So you have the little lady's print here on the front. It's cute. Not exactly my theme, but it's cute. I don't know about this for the cozy day. I think I probably would have liked to see like some fuzzy socks. I think that would have been great for a cozy day. What else? I don't know. I don't know about the toss pillow set. I don't know. I don't know. That's just my opinion. But I would have liked to see maybe like the cozy socks to go with your cozy day of chilling, and maybe, I don't know, you could probably even do some scrunchies or something on a chill cozy day. But this is the toss pillows, guys. So let's go on to the last thing in our box, and we will wrap it up from there, right? So guys, the last thing in my box is our shirt of the month. So let me pop that out, and it looks like we have like a sweatshirt or something this month. Hold on. And I normally get a extra large in a shirt, so they got large to extra large. This is our shirt of the month. It has confidence, soul, and it's a very lightweight sweatshirt. It's very thin. It's not like a heavy one. It's very lightweight. I actually have the hat that matched this. They sent that to me in one of our prior boxes this year. So this is our sweatshirt. So I think that's pretty chill and comfortable to put on. Oh, you know what would have been really good? They should have put tights in this box. This is the box I think the tights should have went in with some furry socks. I think that would have been an awesome way to kind of make this cohesive. And I know I'm just like kind of going off the track, but I just kind of thought like on a chill day, what's perfect if it's cold outside, you want your little fuzzy socks on, and then like some leggings or something that went with this would have been like perfect instead of the toss pillow idea. But that's just my suggestion if Izzy and Liv is watching, because I know y'all watch my videos sometimes. So that's just my suggestion. But this is cool. I like this for the chill day. So let me show you guys what our options were for this one. Okay guys, so the shirt is valued at $45. There were, looks like 5 options. So these are the 5 options of what you could have received in your box. Some of them are darker print, some of them are lighter print. So I think that's pretty cool, and I didn't show you this one here. So let me just move that so you guys can see it. But 1 of 5, the shirt, the pullover sweatshirt is valued at $45. And guys, so in review of this box that we have here, the box, this month's box is valued at $170 according to the value that Izzy and Liv put on it. So the sweatshirt here is $45. We have the melanin toss pillows here. The set of these are $40 for the set of the 2 pillows. We also have our fleece blanket right here, which is cute. And we also have, where did I put the sleeping mask? We got a sleeping mask somewhere. Oh, here it is. So guys, we also have the sleeping bonnet here along with the eye mask, which I dropped on the floor. So here we go. So this was our box. Again, the theme was comfy, cozy, cool. And like I said, I'd rather like to see something else other than a toss pillow set. I know they have to put together so many boxes, but when I think about chilling and being cool, I'd rather have like some cozy socks and, you know, maybe some leggings or something would have been perfect to go in this box this month. But overall, I thought it was a cool box. Guys, let me know below what you thought about this month's box. If any of you guys are subscribed and you're receiving this box, let me know, did you like the pics that you had for like your sweatshirt here and your, I know some of you guys probably got different designs than me with the toss pillows here, and your blanket. But I think it's cool. I can see myself chilling on the couch, but the blanket is kind of thin for me, and I normally like something thicker for the winter time. But in the spring, this is like a nice little cool light blanket to kind of chill on the couch, watch TV in. So guys, this is my box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would just love it if you subscribe. If you have not already subscribed to this channel here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click that notification bell, and you will be kept up to date on all my latest videos. Please look out for my Fab Fit and Fun unboxing soon. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.